Hey there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Cappucino, Assassino from Italian Brainrot. First, let's get started with our eyes. On the left-hand side, we're going to start with a circle. We're going to leave a small gap in the center, moving over to the right, drawing that at the same size. Now in the corner of both eyes, we're going to draw in another circle for the pupil. Bringing that up. And then again, moving back into the corner further up towards the top this time. Let's just draw in our last circle here. Now let's draw in the eyebrows. So right up above, we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines above our eye. And then now all we'd have to do is just connect this with a diagonal line on the top and bottom to close that off. Now above, we're going to draw in a slight curved line just above our eyebrows, almost connecting it together. Now from here, we're going to move up one more time, leaving a gap and drawing in another curved line. And we're just going to extend this one slightly past our line on the bottom. Now from here, we're going to close this off by connecting this from the top in towards the corner. On the left-hand side now, curving this line around and then in. And then we're just going to connect this together with another slight curved line as we come all the way over on the right. Again, moving up, we're going to curve this line over and in on both sides. Just stepping in further from the side. And then again, closing this off, bringing this over on the right, connecting that. On the top right, we're going to bring this line up and out from that corner, curving this line in and then down. Let's draw on the symbol in the center here now. So we're going to start on the top with a curved line. And then we're going to start on the bottom, curving it down and then back up, ending that at roughly the same height. Now we're going to close this off on the sides with a curved line to create a rectangle. And then in each corner, we're just going to draw in a small circle. So we're going to draw 4 in total. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in over on the right, a slight diagonal line coming in. And then from here, we're going to spiral this around. So starting in the corner, let's spiral this around and in towards the middle. And then on the left, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line coming out, flattening that out, bringing that back in. Now for the rest of the cup, we're going to start further in on this line, bringing this curved line slightly in as we come in towards the bottom. And again, replicating that on the right, ending that the same height. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to close this off with a curved line. And then we're going to move up again and replicate that one more time for the bottom. Let's move up again, just underneath our eye, drawing in another curved line. Now let's draw in the leg. So on the left side here, we're going to curve 2 lines that come down. We'll do the same as we move over on our right hand side. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line. On both sides for the shoe, we're going to curve this line in, just leaving a small gap in the center. And then on the bottom, we're going to curve this line down. Now on the side, arching this line around and then down for the foot. And then from the inside, just curving this line over and across. And then we're going to move up again and replicate that once more. Now let's move over and draw in our arms holding in the swords. So we're going to come over on both sides, drawing in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides for the arms. We're going to move across now, and we're going to start with the sword first. So we're going to start with a curved line for the bottom of the blade, leaving a gap, just bringing that up slightly higher than our arm on the top. Now from here, on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line up towards the top. And we're going to try and draw these so they're at roughly the same height. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line down and then in on the right. Now moving in towards the bottom, we're just going to draw in a curved line. Moving around now, the bottom of the blade, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then now from here, we're going to draw in the hand. So underneath for the thumb, we're just going to curve this line around and then up. And then we're going to close off this arm by bringing this small diagonal line up towards the top. Now moving across for the fingers, we're going to curve this line in. And we're going to come down and do that 3 times in total. Now from here for the hand on the bottom, curving this line up. And then for the bottom of the sword, we're just going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line. And then we're going to do that 2 more times as we come up. And that is it. That's how you draw Cappucino Assassino. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.